Hello, this is Gregorio Robles from the Universidad Rey Juan Carlos, and I have 4 minutes to present you our pycefr tool. Our inspiration comes from the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. The idea is that for natural languages, you can specify the skill level a person has. So if you have a skill level in A, then you're a basic user, in B, you're an independent user, or in C, then you're a proficient. So these levels have 2 sublevels each, so A1 is the beginner and C2 is the mastery. This framework is widely used in Europe for languages like Spanish, English, French, and so on. So our idea is to have a tool that gets as input Python code. It can be code snippets, very small code snippets to whole repositories, and it outputs the competency level that you need to have to understand that Python code. So what we have done for that is we have taken a list of Python elements and we have assigned each of these elements one level. So for instance, a print statement would be an A1, and the nested dictionary, that's number 7 in the list, is B1, while meta classes and decorator classes require C2. So as an output, for instance, if you analyze a repository, you get an output like this. Number of analyzed Python files 83, and you see the number of elements found for each level. So you have to see that for understanding the whole code here, you would have to have C2 level because there are 39 Python elements there from that level and 36 C1. So you have to be proficient to be able to modify any code in this repository. Of course, you can get the results in a JSON output with much further detail. So for instance, here you can see the Python file, and that there is a simple dictionary which has level A2 starting at line 16 and ending at line 19. As this for any other Python element in the code, so you can process it and do further analysis. Just a warning, we haven't scientifically evaluated the assignment of Python constructs and elements to competency levels, so we really don't know if the print statement is A1 or the decorator class is C2. We still have to do that. But these assignments can be easily changed in the configuration file without having to modify a single line of source code. So this is orthogonal of the tool and is probably pending work, and it probably may depend on the context. So potential applications. Number 1, for teaching. You can teach Python up to a certain level. As we have done in the paper, we show a case study where we do a computer networks lecture, and then we say here is B1 what you need. You don't need any more. So we can choose the examples according to that level. We can label the answers in Q&A sites from Stack Overflow and say this snippet is B1 and this is C2. So you will have to have those skills to understand the snippets. We can help in onboarding OSS projects. This code review requires B1, so you should at least have those skills. Or this back assignment requires B2, so that's the skills needed. And of course, this can be applied to other programming languages. So if you have fun with this and you want to have more details, look at the paper, and there we have here a video with the tool, and I say thank you on behalf of all my co-authors from NIST and from the Mahidol University, together with the Universidad Rey Juan Carlos. Thanks everybody, and enjoy ICPC.